Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. From the thumbnail and from the picture itself, you all must have come to know that Sugar has actually sent me some gift. Now you people will wonder how Sugar can gift someone, right? So now definitely I'll be telling you all the detailed information in this video. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now I'll begin with the information. Basically, Sugar has just finished their anniversary, and on YouTube they were having some giveaway. And y'all must be aware that Sugar as a brand I like very much, and I do own a full face of makeup from Sugar. I do own a lot of their lipsticks, lot of their products I do own, and already I have made videos on that. If you want, definitely I'll be linking that video up in the I button, and also you can check in the description box as well. Okay, I have lot of videos on Sugar particular products, that is their face forward range, their lot of products. Only the left product for me is their jelly highlighter. That is what it is left, and also the metal range. I have not tried their metal range lipsticks, both liquid as well as the bullet. I have not tried that. I want to try, but I'm just waiting for the particular perfect moment, and maybe you can say particular offer. I'm just waiting for that. So like they were having some giveaway, so I participated in that giveaway. They asked some question and I gave that answers properly. There were a lot of entries. Of course, I was not hoping to win. Before that also they were having some giveaway for Instagram, and definitely you all know I am not a user of Instagram. That is, I don't use Instagram, and basically I don't get time also to use Instagram. So that giveaway I lost. I lost that giveaway, and this giveaway was only for YouTube followers. So I am a good follower, you can say a regular follower of there. So I won that giveaway. They were supposed to select 10 participants, and I was one of them, and like I got selected, and they just sent me an email that I'm selected for the giveaway as a winner. So just kindly send us your mailing address and all. So I just mailed them all the mailing details and everything, and they sent me a gift. Now a lot of blabbering happened. This is just the background I wanted to tell you. Now I'll tell you what gift I got from Sugar. Actually I was not aware what I'm going to get, but then again I went to that video to see what I'm going to get. So in that actually I forgot, to be very frank, I forgot. And in that they specified that I'll be getting a mini set of their Smudge Me Not lipstick mini lip set. Okay, now of course if you want to buy, I gotten this. I've just opened it to check. Okay, so this is normal Sugar packaging, and this is the mini lipstick set, and this is actually the retail price of this is I think $7.99 if I'm not wrong. Earlier it was I guess $9.99, but now it is on $7.99. So if you want, you can get this kind of set in $7.99, and I guess in this set you can select the shades, but of course I was not having any option to select the shades. Okay, so these are the 4 shades they have sent me. I'll just show you. You all know the packaging, and also I don't have to repeat. I'll just tell you the shades. I don't want to drag the video. The first shade is 01 Brazen Raisin. I do have a small sample size of the same. You can see 01. I'm not sure why camera is not capturing. Yeah, 01 Brazen Raisin. Okay, then 02 Brink of Pink. Okay, then we have 03 Tan Fan. Of course I do have, if you remember, if you have watched my video of Sugar, I do have Tan Fan in full size. So I'm not sure what I'll do. If possible, I'll keep this for future giveaway. So this is 03 Tan Fan, I showed you the shade, and this is a 05 Rust Lust. Now if you ask me my favorite shade, if you tell me which is my favorite shade, basically I'm not swatching any of these lipsticks right now, because I'm not sure whether I'll be keeping this or no, because you can see the swatches and all in lot of other videos. So I'm not sure whether I'll be keeping this with me or I'll be giving it away. I have not yet decided. I'll just show you a small bottle. I'll just show you what kind of tube they send. I know definitely you all have seen, but I'll just show you. So this is the mini size. Y'all can say this is miniature size. Okay, so like I'm not sure what to do with this set. should I keep it or should I give it in a giveaway? Whatever. That is why I'm not swatching, because if I'll swatch, then I cannot give it to anyone. Like if I want to give it to my subscribers, then I cannot give, because swatched lipsticks we cannot give to anyone. So like that is why I'm just wondering what to do with this particular set. So this is just, I wanted to tell you, I wanted to actually share my happiness with my friends, with my family. So I thought of making a video for you. I hope, of course there is nothing great, but for me this was an excited moment, so I thought of sharing it with you. I hope you liked my moment of, like, you liked and you enjoy. So if yes, then give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, as I always tell. Share this video with your friends and family, and comment if you have any kind of video request. You can comment down in the comment section. I'll be definitely reading it, and if possible I'll make the video also. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.